Finance practice exercise is 31. Suppose you invest $50 a month. $50 a month. For 5 years into an account earning 8% compounded monthly. And after 5 years, you leave the money without making additional deposits in an account for another 25 years. How much will you have in the end? Okay, so it sounds like we've got a two-step situation here. So our first 5 years, it appears that we have this account treated as an annuity. Okay, how do I know? You deposited $50 each month. So we need to find our final amount, our future value after 5 years. So I'm depositing $50 a month. 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 raised to the 60th power minus 1 divided by 0.08 divided by 12. Some of you will need parentheses around that denominator. Okay, so when I put that in my calculator, I get $3,673.84. All right, in this next scenario, it's still compounding. You're just not putting any new monies in it, okay? So this is no longer an annuity. It is now a compound interest problem, and your new principal is $3,673.84, and it's compounded monthly, still 8%, and we're looking for our future value here. Okay, so setting this up in our compound interest formula. Oops, yeah. Okay, let's see, what do we have? 12 times 25, so that'll be to the 300th power. Okay. And I'm going to end up with $26,966.63.